Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Animals and Pets with Partho. Today I bring to you a very special person, Miss Asmita Datta of Bengaluru. She is one of our finest handlers today, and she started her handling career as a very small child, and she has been encouraged to do this by her father, Mrinmoy Datta. Mrinmoy is known to me from many years ago when he was in Calcutta. He used to come to my place and we would talk dogs. He was very much keen on purebred dogs, pedigree dogs, show dogs from many years back. Later on, of course, he migrated to Bengaluru in search of greener pastures where he has been very successful in his professional career. But nevertheless, he has retained his interest in purebred dogs and has been owning some lovely dogs over the years. And Mrinmoy's younger daughter started handling dogs, encouraged by his father some years back as a little child. She is now a well-known name in southern India, from where she belongs, and she is handling many dogs with great success and has won a lot of laurels under Indian and international judges. She has a dream of becoming a successful handler in future. She has a dream to maybe handle dogs at the Westminster someday. She has a dream to handle in Crufts maybe sometime in future. I wish her well, and I hope our dog world supports such young people who have the dream and the aspiration to become great in the field of dogs. I wish her all the best, and here we go. Listen to Asmita, what she has to say about her dogs and about her handling and about her future dreams. Thank you, and please comment on the box, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel Animals and Pets with Partho. Click on the bell button, like and share. Thank you, and see you again with our next episode in a short while. Bye for now.
Hello everyone, my name is Asmita Datta and her name is Nora, and I am 15 years old. I am a grade 10 student who studies in School of India, Banarghatta Road, and today I am going to be talking about my hobby, my most favorite hobby, which is dog handling. If I have to talk about my handling career, the beginning of it, then it goes back in 2015 when I was 9 years old, and it was the Thrissur FCI Canine Club show, extremely impromptu. We didn't know that we were going to be handling. I didn't know. So they asked all the various participants if we had any junior handler, and obviously I gave my name then. And the only thing I remember when I was getting inside the show ring is that I wasn't going to win. That was exactly my mentality. But then later on, there kept happening top 10, top 5, then it was down to top 2, and I just couldn't believe it. And then finally the judge, she was a South African judge, she announced that I was the best junior handler. And it was a completely surreal moment. I was with my pug, Odin, and that was my first win. Later on, we met Nagraj uncle, and he gave me his blessings. So it was a completely surreal moment that. So after I did the first show in Trishur, I realized that I really had a knack for handling, and then I enrolled in the Mysore Canine Club show, and there I also handled Odin along with Reddy uncle and Dilip uncle, and there I was in the lineup, and we were given the 8th best in show, and I was so happy because if you looked at the show ring, I was the youngest, I was so little, and even my dog was so tiny, and we were the youngest there, so it was a completely happy moment for us. Following that, we went to a lot of dog shows throughout South India mainly, like Kozhikode, we went to Kodaikanal, we went to Kerala, Kanyakumari, then Mysore, and a lot of shows in Bangalore. We took part there, and we kept getting placements, BOBs, groups. Once my pug Lemon got 7th best in show in Mangalore. So all of this kept happening, and all of this started encouraging and motivating me to keep going. Since I had started at such a young age, and through this time I must thank Dilip uncle and Yashodhara ma'am, because they helped me so much. I was so young, yet they held my hand and they kept helping me, and they had taught me so much, what to do in a ring, how to present yourself, how to present your dog. So all of those were very surreal moments for me. After I started handling pug, around the year 2016, we started getting into POMs, and at that time in South India, Pomeranian in a dog show was like not at all, like you couldn't see them a lot. So that was the first time we showed Piku, who is my favorite pom. So after I started handling pugs, I went on to handle Pomeranian, and my very first pom was Piku herself, and we started going to a lot of shows, and we started getting a lot of placements as well. And throughout this entire time, I took part in a lot of best junior handling competitions and lady handling competitions, and the wins kept me motivated, and it kept in my head, it kept telling me that it should go on, that this should not stop. So that was a motivation. Along with South India, I had also gone to Amritsar and handled a pug named Justin, and there I had gotten him a BOB, and I myself had gotten best junior handler there through. So along with pugs and pom, as I got older, as I got 12, 13, 14 years old, I started developing interest in breeds like Doberman, Siberian Husky. They were completely majestic breeds, and I really wanted to handle them. I had previously trained this Doberman named Rowdy, and I had also handled this Great Dane. So all of this kept me really interested, and it introduced me to a very new world. Along with poms and pugs, I also started handling Great Danes, We used to go at someone's house and I used to handle a Great Dane. And I started getting really interested in Dobermans because they are already in themselves such a majestic breed. And I got introduced to my favorite breed, which is the Siberian Husky. And all of this opened a new world for me. If we're talking about the present, I'm currently handling a Pomeranian named Griffin and Percy. Griffin is a Thailand import and Percy is a Russian import. And we recently showed Griffin at the FCI Hiking International Kennel Club, and there she won Reserve Best Puppy in Show. And I also got the Best Junior. As I got older, I got introduced to the world of dogs, and I saw how many opportunities can you get here. You get introduced to Westminster, Crufts, and there are international shows where you can get CASIP, and all of these seemed so intriguing to me personally, and I realized that it's not my age. You can start dog handling at any age. It's honestly such a fun, interesting, and fulfilling sport or hobby, as a lot of people relate it to. So if I were there, I would completely recommend it to everyone. It's so much fun, especially if you love dogs. It's surreal completely, having to perform and then winning a prize. So that kept me going a lot. So if I have to talk about my future plans, it has to be that I one day want to represent India in Westminster. And if we're talking about the future breeds that I'm planning on doing, it's the Siberian Husky and the German Shepherd. I love both of those breeds equally and I plan on handling them. And the thing that still keeps me going to this day is that once you get in the ring and once the judge gives you a prize, you can go back and I can go home and give that prize to my parents. And that's a really proud moment for, I think, both myself and my parents. So that is something which is incredible. So yes, dog show and dog handling is something that is so close to my heart, and it's something I have enjoyed and loved so much.